Hi and welcome to the fourth part of this tutorial. So I will just add a few more details to our building and just say a few things. For example, this top part here that I made, I just want to say that the way I made it, when we made the 3 cuts and then used push and tweak, there's always many different ways of doing that. You could, for example, make this just one cut to make this depth here, and then just create a box and put it on top, and then put the second box on top of that one. The reason why I used split face and press pull was just so you can see how it works. And sometimes it might be easier to just create a new box and put it there, and sometimes it's easier to use split face, but it's just up to you, and I just want you to try the different options. So that's that. And just to add some other details, I was thinking we could put some chamfer on the edges, but before I do that, I will actually select the whole thing. So I will delete the sketch. I will merge the whole thing. So if you go to combine and click merge, you can just select, well, you need to select one part. Okay, we select one part and then click all the others and click enter. So now this is one part. I will actually do the same here because I didn't do it before. And then enter. I think I forgot the spheres here, so merge. Okay, there we have it. So I think the computer runs a bit faster when you put everything in one object instead of having so many different objects. I noticed that in the other videos that they went a bit slow, so that's a tip. Okay, so go to modify and choose, I think we'll use transfer in this case. So transfer, and then we will select these edges here. So just so you know, it would have been much easier if we used transfer on the first floor before copying it, because then you wouldn't have to select every edge on every floor. To select them, you just left click and then that's it. So you can see I got all the floors selected. Instead of using this arrow, which you can drag and make the transfer, I will just type in a small number. So I think 0.25 there. So it looks a bit better. If you want, you can put it under also. It's up to you. What else could we do? We could maybe put the small antenna. Let's see. So now what I did was just to go to cylinder, put out the cylinder and type in these numbers 0.2 and 10 for height, and just place it anywhere. And let's take that one and move it on the top. And I actually want to place it here. So if you noticed, I didn't, if you noticed, I didn't put in this there because I don't like it. I will put it here. We can also use this sketch, or you can use any sketch, just create a new one if you don't have any sketch. but the point is that we will make a cut. So just rotate it so it's facing this face, and go to this view, the back view, and we will make a cut on this part. There. So what we're going to do is go to modify, split face, select, oops, I don't know what happened. Yeah, again, split face, select these 4 faces, then splitting entity, and choose your sketch, and then you see it will cut through all these faces, and we got it there. I actually want to do one more cut, so I will take the sketch, move it down, and pull this one out here. So just so we can make the same thing again. Oh, there. So I selected the 4 faces around. I will go to splitting entity, select the sketch again, and enter. So you can see that I made a mistake here, which I want to fix. So I click undo, I go to the back view, and then I will drag this one further. So sorry about that, I will do it again. Select the faces, go to splitting entity, select your sketch, and click enter. So there we have it. Then we want to go to modify and press pull. So you can then select all these faces that we cut. So if it's difficult to see, it's around the whole top here. I selected the faces around, and then you have this arrow, just drag it in or out. Well, out didn't be, well, this is cool also. This was not expected, but you can see we can make some nice shapes. I will click enter. So this is not bad. If you want, you can also push it in and get something that looks like this. But yeah, this is a cool building, I think. So I hope you managed to make something similar, and feel free to put any details you want, and I hope it's not too difficult. So see you in the next tutorial.